Hi everyone, this is Vicky from Repack. Welcome to my channel.
Today, let's talk about what makes Mylar bags with good smell proof. Its anti-odor performance mainly comes from the following factors. Lamination structure. The printing layer is usually laminated with aluminum foil during the manufacturing process of Mylar bags. This multi-layer structure enhances the barrier ability of gas and odor. Material properties. Aluminum foil material has good air tightness and barrier properties. This material can effectively block the penetration of gas and odor, thereby preventing odor from leaking out or external odor from entering. Thickness and sealing. Mylar bags are usually thicker than ordinary plastic bags and have stronger sealing performance, which further enhances the anti-odor effect. Good sealing can effectively prevent the penetration of gas and odor. These factors work together to make Mylar bags perform well in anti-odor, freshness preservation, and isolation from external pollutants.
If you are interested, please contact us. See you next time. Bye bye.